Hello friends, today I'm going to show you one requirement what we faced in our company. So here developers are creating jobs without tags and the compute also getting created. So for the we always do the billing through the tags. I mean to say we are going to track that billing. Okay, for this project this much of billing has been done. We are all doing this to the tags. So tags are so much important for in the billing purpose. So here we can enforce the tags for using the policies tags policy where once we create it we need to select that policy, but unfortunately somebody will not select that policy and even though some we have some good thing for compute but we don't have the same for SQL data warehouse and jobs. So here we came with one requirement that so daily we are going to schedule for every 6 hours or for every one day, and so that if any tags are missing, so that we can get alert through the email so that we can go and check and add the respective tags into that. So this is the requirement. Here here entire the code is it is there what you need to do from your end. So here for example I am working on this workspace testing 04, so that I need to give the testing URL here up to here. Okay, now this is the pat token. Where you can get that here is you can go here and go to settings and go to preference developer. Here you can get the access token here. Okay, this one generate no token. Now here you can manually mention the name of testing workspace. Okay, testing 04, that is why I manually mention. So here SMTP configuration information, and this is SMTP address, and I'm using Gmail Google which is 587, and this is my email ID, and here I'm using app password, not the Google password. This is the app password you have to use. How we need to get that password? Simple. Go to duplicate here and go to Google, and you can type app password Gmail. Now click here, and now here you can click on that. So enter the password. Sir, here you can give the name and you can create like this. You can create these passwords like okay. Here now this is done. To whom we need to receive the email ID? Here in your case, it should be a DL of your whom you need to get the notified, and this is the header. So now what I am doing here, I am taking the authorization, and here I'm manually passing the token so that my Databricks authentication is getting completed. Now here I am defining the clusters. I'm retrieving the cluster information and retrieving the data in the JSON format. Here the same thing for the jobs. Here I am checking the missing tags and put loading that into in the missing info here. And after that, all these things if I am doing for the jobs and loading the information into missing info. Okay, now I'm sending that email. What are that I need to do here? And main execution logic is it is what, right? So for the tags we have different tags names. These are not, there are not, and the jobs we have these tags. Okay, and once these tags are not there and all this information is going to load into this tag. Now I'm combining all these informations and I'm preparing the email body here. Now if I see here coming to jobs, I am having two jobs right as of now. So if I click job 2, I don't have any tags. If I go job test here, I don't have any tags here as well. Now go to compute, go to personal compute. Here I'm having three tags here: cluster, department, owner. Okay, let's see that how it works. Now if I click execute, so it is going done. So email sent successfully. Now come down here, see Databricks mixing report, testing workspace. Here cluster is there. What the compute cluster environment is missing, cost center is missing. So now what I want to do here, I want to go and add. So and go to cost center and okay, done. Now it should not, when I get executed, email should come, but it should not be there in the email ID. The cluster should not be there. Why? Because we have provided all the cluster information. Now if I see, if I go here, it got executed. Now show, see that information has been gone. Now I will add all these tags for job text. Now go to jobs, go to where is the jobs here, and go to, I will remove one job here. Now okay, now I'm providing these jobs, application, application department. Yeah, it is done. Now there is no tag, missing tags in cluster. There should be no tags in jobs as well. So whenever there is no information, mail should not get, I mean, should not come to our inbox. So as of now, I am deleting everything here. Now if I run the executor this one, it is done. See, all the clusters and jobs have the required tags as well, so that I will not get disturbed here. Okay, I will not get, I mean, I don't know, I don't want to spend the time on the email. So since all the everything is up, now what you need to do here is checking the tags. I am renaming that. Now you can go to the jobs run here and create job. Now come to name checking tags. Here now come to workspace, and here you can see checking tags, confirm, and the schedule the email, where how frequently that you want to do the changes and everything, you can schedule. Okay, every day, one day, that's enough. If I go advanced, and you can see that UTs and everything. Okay, if you click on that, it will get scheduled. Okay, automatically we will get an email. Okay, this is how we can automate that missing tag information in our environment. So I am going to give this code in the comment box. Just you replace your values and let me know. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.